Let's make a traditional Vietnamese home comfort meal. From what I learned from mom, there's always at least 3 dishes on the table. A protein, a soup, and either a fresh or stir-fried veggie dish. And of course, with white rice and fish sauce and a couple red chili on the side. I'm using pork ribs to make Sườn kho. You can use pork belly for this to make thịt kho. I actually prefer ribs because it's a bit less fatty but quite succulent. Wash about 2.5 pounds of pork ribs with some salt and water. Dry them off and marinate with 4 cloves of minced garlic and 1 minced shallot. 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoons chicken granulate, 1 tablespoon ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of MSG. Let it marinate for about 15-20 minutes. Then over medium heat, add some oil to cover the pan. Spread out a layer of sugar evenly. Heat until the sugar melts and caramelizes to a brown color.
It is smoking. Our marinade already have garlic.
Then add in the marinated meat and stir fry it until they're seared on all sides evenly. Then add in the coconut soda or coconut water.
This is the cheapest option. You want to just cover it just right there. Don't go all the way because it's going to take a long time for this to caramelize and reduce down. You can also add in some extra fish sauce. You need extra black pepper. I'd like to throw in a few of the Thai chili too. All these bubbles it's gonna go away later, so don't worry about the bubble.
Simmer this on low heat uncovered until the sauce reduces to a caramelized consistency.
Trái bầu.
As for the canh bao, the squash soup,
now this is a good bao. It's not hollow inside, and the seeds are not big yet. It's still young.
In a small pot with about 3 cups of water, add some dried shrimps for flavor, a couple teaspoons of chicken granulate, and about 1 ounce of raw sugar. Bring this to a boil, and then add in the chopped squash. Season to taste with some fish sauce. And for our veggie dish, we're making rau muốn xào tỏi, stir-fried garlic water spinach. Pretty easy, with some oil and plenty of garlic and a bit of shallots. Fry these up for about a minute to bring out the flavor. Then add in the pre-washed, chopped rau muốn and season with a couple tablespoons of oyster sauce. The tough part about this actually is stir-frying it in this small pan. Eventually though, it will wilt down to fit it.
What I say, it all wilted down to just a small plate. And then bam, just like that, we're almost done. We're just waiting on this pot to be done, to caramelize a little bit, reduce down. We got the canh bao over here, that's ready to go. Then we got the rau muốn xào tỏi.